I got an ugly putter, and while everyone thinks it's trash, we're gonna profit out of it. I got an ugly putter for free. It was in a set that I sold independently, so I didn't invest any money on this club. A lot of you must be already thinking, well, if you didn't pay for it, it's guaranteed profit. No, I'm gonna explain to you why in a second, but first we're gonna take a closer look at this putter. This is a Spalding TPM-3. The sole is in terrible condition. The scratches are deep. The paint, well, which paint? The face isn't much better. The shaft looks really good. No scratches, no rust. And I'm very lucky because this grip is like new. Now we need to make profit out of this free putter, but it's not as simple as it looks. First of all, this putter, even in a like new state, will never leave for more than $30. I'm lucky if I make 20 bucks on it. Let's say it does go for $30. Hey, I got it for free, so it's a $30 profit. If I spend 1 hour on this putter, use my tools and materials, which I estimate at around a value of $5 per flip, this brings me to a $25 profit for 60 minutes of work. That's $25 an hour. That's not valuable profit if I can make more than $25 an hour working anywhere else. So for this to be actually profitable, I need the profit to be the equivalent of $50 an hour. Now, realistically, I think this putter will go for $15, meaning I cannot spend more than 17 minutes on this terrible looking putter. Let's get to work. And while you're watching, why not subscribe? If you want to get started flipping golf clubs, make sure to visit the Fairway Flips Amazon store. From beginner level 1 to pro level 6, you'll find everything that you need with as little as $10 in your pockets. I'll leave the link in the description below. Considering I only had 7 minutes to put on this putter, it turned out not too bad. But because I had only 17 minutes, I used rougher machines, which probably removed a little bit of weight on this putter. Because I only had 17 minutes, I botched the paint removal step. And because I only had 17 minutes, I couldn't afford to remove all the dents. What I could do was to give it a nice brushed look, refresh the lettering, and paint fill the bigger dents to make it look intentional. Like I said before, I could have spent more time on this putter, but even in a like new state, a Spalding TPM will never sell for more than $20, maybe $25. Usually these go for around $15 on Marketplace or eBay. So I'm gonna post this putter for an unrealistic $25. If I don't get any messages in the first hours, I will drop my price down to $20. If still after 24 hours I have no messages, I will bring the price down to $15 and I will stay there. If that doesn't work, I'm not bringing my price down again. I'm gonna rework the pictures and the description to try and make my ad stand out even more. So now it's just a waiting and marketing game.
A few moments later.
Well, the putter finally sold, but it took 3 days. Some will say it's not that bad. I'm more quick nickel than slow dime. It went for $15, which was the minimum I had given myself. Considering I spent 17 minutes on this putter, this brings me to a approximate $50 an hour job. So I consider this a successful flip. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, hit subscribe, and I will see you for our next challenge. See you next time.